Oh, let me get on camera.
He almost lost it.
Oh my god.
Dude, your hair is freaking
tall. Okay, go back, go back.
How'd you do that?
Go back. Go back. That way, hey, make it.
Is it like Mohawk? Go back. Turn.
Do the drip like, they're like, peacock. Alright.
It just like goes all the way up.
Yeah, look at the picture of that freaking
I wish I could be as muscle as you.
Get a...
Oh, you failed.
Haley, shut up and stop talking.
Don't you tell my friend to shut up, you.
Whoa. Troy, go away.
So bad, dude. Wait. And this just came over.
Rocky, what we got here is a male and a female.
Wait,
I'm pretty sure that they're Christians. Now, that's rare. They're right there. Look at that one nibbling on our little arm. And he's wearing a Nike's hat. And he's Mexican.
Yankees, it's not Nike.
Oh my God, he's speaking my language. And the other one's laughing for no reason. Like she always does. And she's blonde.
Alright, you bug.
No one's gonna rape me. I'm 6'3".
I'm 6'7". I got you.
Kelsey, zoom in on me.
I'm a bodyguard.
Fact number 1, Chuck E. Cheese is the #1 place to get lice. Whoa.
Look at both of them. I like that.
You're like, we're on edge.
Who were you guys on? Mucho Mangoes?
We were on
Yeah.
coins, and the little kid is like, oh, let's put 1 billion coins in, and we got free pictures. Like,
Me and Troy are leaving.
Yeah, they kept putting.
Where are you going?
Then it's not a camera. Who said we have to do a run? Sweetheart. Let's just run. Give me the candy. Boom. Hand it over. Once I was crying, you made my car cry.
I'm zooming in
No,
on
that was not an
Alvin.
invitation to bite me.
I got this.
That was an invitation to pet me.
Look at
I got it of you smelling her hair.
No,
You smelled her hair. I got it on camera. We will watch it later.
I have a mustache.
Haley, shut
Away from me as soon as
Awesome.
White people driving cars is worse.
Hi, Kelsey.
Hi.
No, what's
Not me again.
I'm gonna get hit by a car. And I don't care about your guys' life, but
Can we freaking go on the canyons already?
Haley, I would appreciate it if you would shut your mouth.
Hello?
Dad, get out of the camera! You scared the crap out of me. Haley, shut.
Away from me as soon as
I just want to hug you.
No, you don't.
We have 400 and something fans, okay? So I would shut up.
I'm in a group called Squid. Have you ever heard of that?
Yeah, make a fan of what?
Dr. Parks the Bent.
Def not.
Do it!
I've never had Dr. Parks, so I wouldn't know.
I don't care, I made it.
You are so tempting sometimes.
I'll take off my pants and run around butt naked and get arrested if you want.
No drifting!
Every day.
Tray sliding. No.
Can we go cow tipping? Where are you gonna find a cow?
Quiz, hot shots. Where are we going? We got 5 minutes before we have.
That was really scary. I just got bigger.
Example A, we can go to canyon cruise. Example B, we can go somewhere to kick back. Example C, cow tipping. What the? Example D, Chuck E. Cheese.
Where are their cows, bro?
I don't know.
Troy, why are you a loner? What? So you're gonna cry because we're not?
Why are you filming me?
Because it's fun and you're over here like a loner and everybody was wondering why you're over here like a loner?
No, you guys have the same tires.
You guys recording this?
Yeah.
How much which mine has no action? I'm getting a raging clue right now. My clue's
Right.
We're getting speed, that's weird.
One more! Yay! There it goes. Hi, Stephanie. Stephen, put your tongue in your mouth. Grandpa Matt. It wasn't awesome.
Hey,
Grandpa not gonna agree. Grandpa Matt.
Okay, do you want the good news or the bad news?
Bad news. I love bad news.
Okay, bad news is that I'm not going to be able to go with you guys.
Aww.
I knew it.
Good news?
I love your car.
Good news, thank you.
Good news.
Good news is we're still all best friends.
Yay!
I got all the care in the world, but got plenty of fear. Ain't got no money in my pocket, but I'm already here. And now the dudes are lining up, 'cause they hear we got swagger. So we kick them to the curb unless they look like Mick Jagger. I'm talking about everybody getting without being disrespectful.
That color's so cool, it's not even funny.
There he goes. Pretty cool. I did a cartwheel in the middle of the street and laid down in the middle of Bouquet Canyon. In the middle of the street. But we didn't get it on camera because we're stupid. And you have to believe us, so we're going to tell you. Christian, tell them we did cartwheels.
They did cartwheels.
Hi, they have short legs.
Okay, Kelsey.
Wait! Wait! How tired are you, Raul?
Huh? What?
How tired are you? You look pretty Asian.
For what it is,
On the way home.
no, I'm not that bad. And he just said bounce like a wow wow like doing this, so it's pretty cool. Do you think I look Asian?
Yeah, you look really Asian. Yeah, you're eating your keys.
tired, yeah. You look Asian.
Oh,
dude?
Yeah, dude.
I do.
God,
Oh.
best friend.
30 tomorrow. For the win. It happens.
Whoa.
Best friend likes to.
I just flung myself.
Good jump.
Bye, guy.
Bye, best friend.
Yeah.
What the? I want a smart car. Take a picture. Whoa, look at my eyes. We can take a picture, ready? Really?
See you next week. I'll see you Wednesday, actually. No, I won't.
Or not when you're recording. Pause it. No, I'm recording out my nose.
Bye.
Say bye.
Arigato.
Bye.
That's thank you.
I know.
Why are you?
I said everybody, not just Garth and Lexi.
1, 2, 4.
Bye.